This is very simple. As long as you have level to the upside, level to the downside, you can trade in between. You can look for shorts at resistance, longs at support. So that's what I do have for you on the gold chart. Very, very interesting. First of all,
Coffee with George.
Before you continue, please pause the video and read the straight disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
first of all, the high time frame range, right? High time frame range. And as you can see, most of the price action is within the value area of this range, but we do have deviation, push to the downside, big deviation, price get acceptance here, boom, more upside. So basically what I'm going, this is like those deviations from the range, from the value area of the range, they give the best trading opportunity. Let's get back to what happened here. So obviously the price taking the liquidity, you don't see this every day. This daily candle was just crazy. I mean, it was more than 6%. You don't see a volatility like this every day. But now most important is the following: price got acceptance back into the value area, but then it claimed, and currently value area high of this range is our support, and now the price is trying to push to the upside. Also, when you see something like this, that this entire section of the chart, the entire price section above the value area high, is another range in my opinion. And with this range, obviously we do get levels, right? And when I see levels, I'm more than happy to use these levels. We do get this situation, right, where the value area low of the local range plus value area high of the high time frame range, they are acting as support in the same time. Point of control, as you can see, is our resistance. And currently, and this is the big question, if this level will be flipped to support, you can see the push to the upside now support, or if this level will still act as our resistance. Other than that, the price is trapped between the point of control of this range. The point of control currently is around 2029. Point of control to the upside and value area low to the downside. When one of these levels will break, one would expect some follow. And very, very simple, to the upside we do have the value area high, and to the downsides, if the price gets acceptance below this area of support, that would be a major sign of weakness, because at that point in time, this entire section of the chart, this deviation from the value area, and also the price get acceptance back into the value area, the high time frame range. So let's pay attention to this. So for the moment, this is our resistance, this is our support, trade in between, and there are scalps to be taken all day long. So this is kind of the high time frame, and there's not much to add. Now let's see what kind of horizontal levels do we have in this area. Okay, so we have quite a bit of them. First of all, we have this one. This was, until today, this was an untapped day level, 2029. Then the price action printed this one, 2014, and we've been expecting one of this level on Friday, right? I was expecting this or this. However, that never happened, right? And the price just, pushed to the upside and got acceptance below this level, 2024 and 2021. Those are top levels, but if we go on low time frame, you'll see they are very, very well respected. So that's why I still keep them on my chart. Other than that, to the downside, we still have this untapped day level, 2006, 2004. Very good support weekly level here. To the upside, we have this week, 2049 daily, then untapped weekly level here, 2049. And if the point of control here will be claimed, very, very simple, that would be the next area to the upside, value high plus this week, right? Very, very simple. We still have two weekly levels, 2062 and 2071. This one has a very, very small front run here, so it's technically still an untapped day level. This is a weekly level, sorry. This is a tapped weekly level. Now getting back to daily, very, very simple. To the upside, if this daily will be flipped, then this. What's the level standing in between? Because the other thing that the price was doing for the last week and also today, we have a lot of liquidity in this area, right? So 2039, this is the high from this range, and then we start to see lower high, and for the moment we still have a new lower high. So the price is building liquidity in this area. We know that the chances for the price to take that liquidity are pretty high. The only problem is when that will happen, because Remember the last triple top being this one, 1, 2, 3, triple top, and a lot of liquidity. It took like a lot of time. So the last one was printed in May 2023, and it was taken in basically in December 2023. So it took more than half a year. Obviously, I don't think that would be the case here, because this is more on the local. But other than that, so let's pay attention to this liquidity area. But other than that, if no swing failure pattern, I'm more than happy to trade the swing failure pattern here. But if no swing failure pattern here, the price should go for this weekly and barrier high, and we go from there. Oh, and there's one thing that I would like to add. So we do still have here, you can see all the details in the video description, where we still have the campaign where if you want to join our premium Discord, you get 2 weeks for free. So 2 weeks for free, no questions asked. You can cancel the subscription at any point in time within the 2 weeks, and then you can get 30% discount in the first month. So this is still ongoing. I mean, usually when there is volatility, when we do have news and when we jump in Discord, we have a voice channel where we share levels, we share reaction, we share trades. I see no real reason not to take that opportunity.
Elevate your mastery in trading. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.